Hi, this is Michael Davis with Mobibooth, and we are going to install the iPad Pro 12.9 into the Aura head. First, we're going to take the lightning cable and we're going to come up through the notch in the center here. We're going to plug that in to the bottom of the iPad. And I am going to seat the bottom into the ring light enclosure, and you'll see that the top does overhang a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to push in on the plastic, and now the iPad is seated in. Next step is we're going to take the diffuser with the paper masking off, and the first set of screws that we're going to use are the silver. These are number 8 with a 3/32 head that we're going to use the smallest L key with. And we're going to use these on the countersunk holes only. So there's 4 of these. I'm going to take my 3/32 L key and I'm just going to gently snug them. I am not going to over tighten them. If you over tighten them, it will lift the edge of the plastic because you're pushing down too hard. So we're going to tighten the 4 of these. Next, we're going to take the trim face. Now this could either be the body color or you can use the mirror. I'm going to put the white one on and I'm going to use the white screws. If I was using the mirror, I would use the silver screws. I'm going to use the same tool, the 3/32 L key. And I can snug these up firmer than the other set. Thanks for watching.